trying to steer it through. Coming into the penalty area now. And that's into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Not the hardest thing he'll have to do today by any means. Houssem Aouar.
No surprise to see City ahead in the possession stakes. And he's been a bit...
Sterling! And he's got his block in and the cross... Just a quick check on the clock, and there are 20 minutes to go. Here's Marquinhos. Well, they're having to defend, aren't they? So he's come deep, and he's got hold of the ball, and they can build off him. Sterling has a go here. Top performance from a top team, and they've emphasised their superiority with the number of goals that they've scored. Manchester City moving into...